Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sherwin Saab. In today's video we're going to prepare a quick and easy lunch recipe that is tomato rice with brinjal fry. So the ingredients that we need are 6 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 onion chopped finely, some mustard and urad dal, chana dal and curry leaves, and some masala powders, chili powder, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. And then finally 1.5 cups of boiled rice. So let's get started. So take a pan and add 1.5 teaspoon of oil. I prefer olive oil here. And then add mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves. And once it gets brown, you can add in the onions and fry the onions for 5 to 7 minutes. And then add in all the masala powders. Once they are fried well, add in the tomatoes and add in some salt. Mix them all nicely and then leave it for boil. You can add half a cup of water. As much as less quantity of water, the taste of the tomato chutney will be very good. So keep stirring and make sure you get that consistency where it doesn't stick to the pan and it's nice and soft. Give it to boil for another 5 minutes. Now the tomato chutney is ready to be mixed with the already cooked rice. Mix them up all well. And that's it. Simple and easy. And it's ready to eat. Here you go. It's very simple with minimum ingredients and tasty and very quick to prepare. If you don't have any vegetables at home, tomatoes are always there in the fridge, so tomato rice is one good option. And now let's get started with the brinjal fry. So you need some brinjal, nicely cut, cumin powder, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder and smashed up ginger garlic and some oil. So take a pan, add in some oil, let it get heated for about 5 minutes. Now you can add in the chopped up brinjal pieces while the oil is still getting hot. Do not wait for the oil to be heated up. And then mix it up well. After 2 minutes or so, you can add in some salt. Mix them up well and close the lid and let it get fried and boiled for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the main trick of this dish here. After 10 minutes, you can add in tomatoes. Now they look like this, soft and golden brown in color. Now you can add up all the masala powders. Mix them up all well. Lastly, add in the crushed ginger garlic pieces. Leave them to blend well for 5 minutes and the dish is ready. This is the final look of the brinjal fry. It's a spicy and very tasty side dish for tomato rice. So our lunch box is ready with tomato rice and brinjal fry. Yeah, that's it. We're good to eat. So please try this tomato rice and brinjal fry at home and do leave your comments below if you like this dish. Yeah, with some curds, it tastes yum. So that's it guys, enjoy your tomato rice and brinjal fry with some curds and let me know your comments below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.